Picture this. It's 2006, and the automotive industry is about to be rocked by a new revelation, the Audi R8. At the Paris Auto Show, the world was introduced to a vehicle that was destined to challenge the status quo. A beast clad in polished metal and exuding an aura of undeniable power was unleashed. The Audi R8 was more than just a car, it was a statement. Its launch was not merely an event, but a spectacle that left an indelible mark. The crowd gasped as the covers were pulled back, revealing a machine that was both elegant and fierce. The murmurs of admiration were almost drowned out by the roar of the engine, a sound that promised exhilarating speed and raw power. The R8 was an instant sensation, disrupting the sports car industry and leaving competitors scrambling. And just like that, the Audi R8 made its roaring entrance. But what most don't know is the untold story that led to its creation. Behind every great invention, there's an equally great story, and the Audi R8 is no exception. The birth of this iconic car is a tale of ambition, innovation, and relentless pursuit of perfection. The R8 was not sprung from a casual thought or fleeting idea. It was a calculated step, a daring move by Audi to break into the supercar segment. The germ of the R8's concept came from Audi's rich racing heritage. The company wanted to create a road car that echoed the success of their Le Mans winning racing cars, and so the R8 project was born. The initial design process was a thrilling rollercoaster ride. The designers were tasked with crafting a car that was not only aesthetically pleasing but also technologically advanced and performance-oriented. They had to strike a delicate balance between form and function, between beauty and beast. The production stage was equally grueling. Audi was venturing into uncharted territory, and every step was a learning experience. The company had to invest heavily in state-of-the-art technology and skilled workforce. There were setbacks, of course. There were times when the project seemed too ambitious, too challenging, but each obstacle was treated as an opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to improve. The journey from concept to production was long and arduous, but it was worth every moment. When the first Audi R8 rolled off the assembly line, it was a moment of triumph, a testament to Audi's vision, courage, and unwavering dedication to excellence. From a mere concept to a tangible speed beast, the Audi R8 had started its journey, but there's more to this tale. This is just the beginning of the R8's fascinating story, a story that continues to captivate and inspire car enthusiasts around the world. Did you know the R8 name is not just a fancy label, but a tribute to a racing legend? That's right. The Audi R8 draws its name from the iconic Le Mans winning race car that dominated the track at the turn of the millennium. The R8 race car was a powerhouse, a titan of endurance that claimed 5 victories at the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans between 2000 and 2005. So what does this have to do with the road-going R8 we all admire? A fair bit, actually. The success of the R8 on the racetrack played a significant role in shaping the design and performance of the road car. Audi wanted to bring the thrill of the track to the everyday driver, and that's precisely what they did. The road-going R8 took inspiration from its racing counterpart in a number of ways. Its mid-engine layout, for instance, is a direct nod to the race car. This configuration not only provides better weight distribution for improved handling, but also allows the car to accelerate more rapidly. The R8's lightweight aluminum frame is another feature borrowed from the track. This material choice makes the car lighter, thus improving its speed and agility. The R8's suspension system, too, was designed with racing in mind, offering a level of responsiveness and control that's hard to match. But the influence of the track on the R8 goes beyond just design and performance. It's also evident in the car's spirit. The R8 embodies Audi's relentless pursuit of excellence, their refusal to settle for anything less than the best. It's a car that's not afraid to push the boundaries, to challenge the status quo. So, the R8 isn't just a car, it's a symbol of Audi's racing heritage. But that's not all. The R8 is more than just a tribute to a racing legend. It's a testament to Audi's commitment to innovation, to pushing the limits of what's possible. It's a car that embodies the spirit of racing, bringing the thrill of the track to the open road. The Audi R8 comes packed with features, but there are some that even the most avid fans might not know. Let's delve into the realm of the unseen and unravel the hidden gems that make this beast a marvel of automotive innovation. Firstly, the R8 boasts a unique dry sump lubrication system. This is a technology that is usually reserved for high-performance racing cars, It prevents oil starvation during high-speed cornering by storing oil in a separate tank and pumping it to the engine when needed. This ensures the engine is always lubricated, regardless of the G-forces at play, ensuring optimum performance at all times. In addition, the R8 also has a launch control feature. This system allows for maximum acceleration from a standing start by managing the car's traction control and gearbox. Essentially, it's like having your very own race star engineer, ready to propel you to new speeds at the touch of a button. But it doesn't stop there. The R8 also includes an innovative virtual cockpit. This is a digital dashboard that can be customized to display a range of information, from navigation to performance stats, all within the driver's line of sight. You no longer need to take your eyes off the road to check your speed or map route. The info is right there in front of you. And lastly, let's not forget about the dynamic steering. This system adjusts the steering ratio based on the car's speed and the driver's steering input. It makes the R8 easier to handle at low speeds while providing precise control at high speeds. This feature is a fine example of how Audi's engineering prowess extends beyond raw power to also focus on the subtleties of a superior driving experience. These hidden features not only enhance the driving experience, but also speak volumes about Audi's attention to detail. This is what sets the Audi R8 apart. A car that is not just about speed and performance, but also about the thoughtful integration of technology to deliver a ride that is truly second to none. The Audi R8 has left a lasting impact on the automotive industry, and here's why. This iconic sports car has been a game changer in the industry, setting the bar high for performance, design, and technology. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a testament to Audi's relentless pursuit of perfection. The impact of the Audi R8 extends far beyond its impressive sales figures. It has fundamentally reshaped the landscape of the sports car market. Before the R8, the idea of a daily drivable supercar was somewhat of a fantasy. But Audi made this dream a reality, proving that performance doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort and usability. But the influence of the R8 goes even further. It has played a pivotal role in redefining Audi's brand image. Once known primarily for luxury sedans and wagons, Audi has, with the R8, shown the world that it can also build world-class sports cars. This bold move has paid off, with the R8 becoming a symbol for the brand's innovation and ambition. Moreover, the ripple effect of the R8's success can be seen in subsequent Audi models. The car's design cues, such as its distinctive side blades and LED headlights, have trickled down to other vehicles in the lineup. Its advanced technologies, like the Quattro all-wheel drive system and the use of lightweight materials, have also become a staple in many of Audi's offerings. The Audi R8 has not only reshaped the sports car industry, but also set a new standard for Audi itself. It has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, challenging conventions, and inspiring a new generation of cars. The R8 has shown the world that Audi is not afraid to take risks, to innovate, to defy expectations. The Audi R8, a game changer, a trendsetter, a legend in its own right. Its impact on the automotive world is undeniable, leaving an indelible mark that will continue to influence the industry for years to come.